Imagine living in a world where your ability to perceive is not confined to the conventional five senses. Sensory substitution opens a gateway to a new dimension of human experience, transforming the way we interact with the world. At its core, sensory substitution refers to techniques that allow information typically received through one sense to be perceived through another. For instance, individuals who are blind often rely on their heightened sense of hearing to navigate their environment. However, technology now allows for more innovative methods of sensory substitution. One notable example is the use of devices that convert visual information into auditory signals, enabling blind individuals to hear their surroundings. This approach not only provides essential spatial awareness but also enhances their interaction with the world around them. One pioneering device that illustrates the power of sensory substitution is the BrainPort. This handheld gadget translates visual data into electrical impulses on the tongue, effectively allowing users to taste images. Users have reported remarkable experiences, such as identifying objects and even recognizing faces through this unique sensory translation. The BrainPort exemplifies how technology can bridge the gap between lost senses and new ways of perceiving reality. Moreover, researchers have explored using vibrational feedback as a means of sensory substitution. For instance, haptic feedback devices can convert visual information into vibrations on the skin, creating a new form of spatial awareness. This technology not only aids those with sensory impairments but also opens doors for immersive experiences in virtual reality environments. Imagine exploring a digital landscape where you can feel the contours of the terrain beneath your feet, enhancing the immersive experience of virtual worlds. The implications of sensory substitution extend beyond rehabilitation and entertainment. They challenge our understanding of perception itself. Can we truly see with our ears or hear with our skin? Studies indicate that our brains are remarkably adaptable, capable of rewiring themselves to accommodate new ways of perceiving the world. This phenomenon, known as neuroplasticity, demonstrates that the brain can integrate information from multiple sensory modalities, allowing us to experience a richer tapestry of existence. Furthermore, sensory substitution has the potential to enhance our understanding of art and creativity. Artists and musicians have begun experimenting with sensory substitution techniques, creating works that engage audiences in unique ways. By transforming visual art into sound or movement, creators can provide multi-sensory experiences that resonate on different levels, inviting viewers to engage with art in ways they never thought possible. As we delve deeper into the realm of sensory substitution, ethical considerations arise. Who gets access to these technologies? How can we ensure that they are used responsibly and for the benefit of all? It's crucial to engage in discussions surrounding the equitable distribution of sensory substitution technologies, ensuring that advancements benefit society as a whole, not just a select few. In a world increasingly defined by technological advancements, sensory substitution represents a beacon of hope for those with sensory impairments. It embodies the spirit of innovation and the relentless pursuit of understanding the human experience. As we explore the potential of sensory substitution, we must remember that these technologies not only transform lives, but also expand the very nature of perception itself. In our next video, we'll explore an equally exciting topic: the future of augmented reality, blending the digital and physical worlds. How will augmented reality enhance our everyday experiences and reshape our interactions with the environment? Stay tuned to find out. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up with the latest advancements in sensory technology. Thank you for watching.